What can I get? What can I get? What can I get? Come on.
Make the ground shake.
What's going on, guys? It's Epic Gamer 120 here, and I'm doing another match attacks video. Hopefully I can get something good for once. Hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully I can get something good. Right, so let's get straight into it. Hopefully I can get something good. I really need a Guero, as you all know from my previous binder update video. Oh, no way! It is unbelievable. I just packed bronze Sergio Aguero. Wow! No actual way. Now that is unbelievable. Bronze Aguero. This isn't a joke, guys. I just packed that. James Milner, assist king. I've got Eric Peters, man of the match, and Johnny Evans, star player. Wow! Four inserts, including the amazing bronze Aguero. Well, I didn't get star player, but I got bronze home advantage card, Rashford, Matip, Watson, and Barrow. So I hope you did enjoy that video, guys. This is unbelievable. Unfortunately, I've already got it from my multi-pack opening, but no way. This has to go on YouTube. Bye! Guys, this is a wee pack with my dubs. I just like to do that sort of thing. But what are the odds? I don't know if I can get the light. Bronze 62.5%. That's a booster box, so you only really get the Agueros in the multi packs or booster box. Give me one. So bye. I believe this is my 10th pack or something, and I'm so lucky. 300 clubs. One of them was 100 club Pogba, but I traded that for 101 Sturridge. So I've packed 101 Gerrard, 101 Vardy. Let's see what I can get. Hopefully, I'll be lucky. I really need that star player Aguero though. Ah! Okay. Now that was weird. Bye!